guys, this is my Android Head unit and I'm inside my car right now. And check out this car web guru car launcher. There's a new update. Let's click on that first and let's see what's new. Yeah, there's a new theme called Black V2, horizontal and vertical, meaning it works both ways. And a message if the theme does not support background replacement. Not too sure what does that means. Fixed navigation tips icon and in the Yandex navigator, and internal changes and optimization. These are the changes. Yeah, so let's check out. Yeah, it's already installed. Let's open it, and this is to unlock the theme, which I won't because I'm gonna check out the new one. Set theme, and I do believe it's a premium theme. And where is it? Black V2. There you go. Click on it, and yeah, so I'm going to click on the free demo mode, and it will replace the previous one. And yeah, just click unlock the theme. I can test it for 10 minutes. If I like it, I can buy it. So I'm just going to click here. Okay, so this is it. Very nice. It's moving, yeah, although my car is stagnant. Yeah, static, not moving at all, but this looks pretty good. Yeah, yeah, that's the first thing I want to talk about. That's because it's moving. So anyway, let's get to it bit by bit. Yeah, on the left side, this should be the speedometer, the digital one, and this is parking, I presume. Yep, because I'm not moving and it's already parked here for a minute and so. And these are the compass facing south, and this is the logo. Click on it, and to go back, just click back here. Nice. And this is the time, day, and the arrow here means that I can actually click on it, yeah, to change something here. This is to change whatever on the right side. Yeah, so this is obviously a clock. Yep. Is it Sunday now? Yeah, I think so. No, it's not Sunday, it's a sun. So this is night, this is sun, and it's going towards night time. Yeah, and this is the RAM being used, and this is Android, I think 10. Mine is 8, I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 10 should be the full. And GPS, yeah, it's not locking because I'm now at the basement. And this is the seconds, but I'm trying to look for, if this is a clock, where is the hour and minutes? Okay, doesn't matter. So this is Albumat. Yeah, you play a song. Next, it should, you know, change accordingly. Yeah, and this is a map. It's not loading. I think it's because of my internet connection. This is a blank screen. I think clicking on it, you can actually choose to put in whatever you want. At this time, I'm not going to do anything. Okay, just stop the talk. Okay, let's go through this instead. Click here. This is a 9 grid, meaning that you can actually change action by adding in your favorite apps. Okay, again, yeah, I'm not gonna fill it up, so that's how I actually put it in just now. You can just click here, change your action by adding whatever you want to this grids. So next, here you get a long empty space, so you can actually put in informations that you want. For example, I don't know, it can be date, time, again, yeah, it can be something like that, but it's already existed here. But this date, yeah, that way you don't see it. Or you can actually put in an app if you want to. Yeah, it will still show an app with a caption on the left, on the right, sorry, the caption on the right. So yeah, next, it's a big empty space. where you can put in, say, multi widgets. So this, so just unlock it. Yeah, it look like this. So this multi widget works this way. Click on it, it keeps changing. So perhaps this place we can also put in something. Yeah, I can put in a supercar. Yep. When I click on it, it'll also change. So you get something different, yeah, from other than from the premium theme itself. I think that's cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I click longer here, I get to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons where I can actually change or add shortcuts that I like. For example, a reset button. Yeah, but if you want it to be clear with nothing, then I think you don't put it there. But anyway, it looks cool, and if you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, please help me to do so. Have a nice day, and goodbye.